Good morning. Uh, my daily work routine. My name is Wendy Carolina Cáceres. I was maquette at air, taking and shower, and the head ready to go to work fine. I used to clean my house, breakfast, and leaving the house the bakery fine. I used to open the bakery air in the morning at 6. I often clean equipment and the tools before using it. I use whey, flour, other ingredients to prepare dough. We always bake different bread types like pretzel, baguettes, and the multi-grain bread. I sometimes decorate cookie with glass icing, white cream, and the edible toppings like flour. I was direct and the surprise the products staff activities to make sure that products are ITUSA standards. We also conduct reserve developed original recipe for products. Our cookies will always be the most delicious on the market. We freaking my reservation for different celebration. We often clean equipment and the door after use. I will start fruit supplies and the plus other night. All products will always be for good quality. Our bakery will always have the best in the technology. I always ensure the proper standard of bucket utilities. Our products are always the richer and the fresh on the market. I usually finish my working day. I always take a shower after dinner. I often go to bed night. So many times I watch IBTV. Thank you.